My name is Carlo Pedoni with Pinsa Romana America. We are partners with the Corrado family in Rome. We are proud to bring to the United States of America Pinsa Romana. Pinsa Romana is a blend of flours. Which consist of four components, four key components. We have our wheat flour, we have our soy flour, we have our rice flour, and we have our sourdough flour. All four components take a key role in the pinza dough. The wheat keeps everything together. There's a binding power. Soy flour helps us with the fat content. It is a vegetable fat, which is easy to digest. Then we have the rice flour, that gives us the texture, which is the crispy on the outside and nice and tender and melt in your mouth texture when you chew. And then we have the sourdough. The sourdough gives you your traditional flavors that no other can bring to the dough, that gives you that traditional Roman flavor. I mean, you can cook it in a lot of different ovens. The key factor to pinza is we need heat. Okay, we have a high moisture content. I've cooked it in a brick oven. I've cooked it in a wood-fired oven. I've cooked it into a turbo chef oven. They all have come great. This product is very, very versatile. How we amplify the flavors of pinza is we knead the dough, we get it all ready, we hand press it, and then we par bake the crust. Par baking the crust allows us to caramelize the added rice flour that we put on the surface of the crust. So it gives you a awesome crisp on top, crisp on the bottom, kind of a barrier, and locks in that moisture in between. So you take a pre-cooked crust, top it just a standard crust, a standard dough, and you throw it in the oven and just watch it come out. Corrado de Marco developed this product in 2001. It took him years and years to develop this product. His whole intention was to revolutionize the pizza industry. Pinza means, from Corrado's mouth himself, means to stretch. We are gently stretching the dough. So in the early hundreds, in the Roman times, they used that word pinzare to stretch. So at one point, he says, I'm not gonna make a round pizza, I'm gonna make an oval pizza called pinza. I'm not gonna use heavy fats and heavy oils. I'm gonna use natural grains, GMO-free grains that will produce a beautiful, crisp, moist, digestible, healthy crust. Pizzerias they're now here existing in the United States and all over the world. You know, in Europe, we service about 5,000 restaurants. Well, pinza is very, very versatile. Pizzas can be served in a fine dining restaurant. Pizzas can be served in a casual restaurant. Pizzas can be served at a fast casual restaurant. The beauty to that is you don't have to do anything different. We offer a 5-day school where you come in, we have qualified chefs that will come from Rome to teach you how to make pinza from start all the way to end. And we will design a menu with you. We will give you all the knowledge you need to develop your own pizzeria. In order to have a pizzeria, one thing you gotta do is respect the quality of pizza. So the difference between making a batch of pizza dough and making a batch of pinza dough is, yes, the flour content. You need the DeMarco flour, Pinsa expert flour. As far as the mixing and performing of the dough ball, there's just one or two steps that are different. One key step is we let our dough rest in 36-degree temperature for up to 72 hours to optimize the flavor profile of the dough. That gives you a flavor profile that no other dough has. So that's a key item on difference. And that's a very important difference. My email address is carlo@pinsaromana.us. Greco's & Sons will be distributing the product. If Greco's & Sons not in your area, we will find a distributor that will provide you your product.